How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the bicep gap in only 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I used to have a pretty bad bicep gap. This is when I first started training, probably the first 2 years. There is a way to fix this. It's not very difficult to get rid of the bicep gap. If you guys look at my biceps now, you guys can see there is like no gap in the bicep. Now, what I did, and this is pretty easy, is everyone has different types of muscles in their biceps, if you will. Some will have shorter bicep heads, others will have longer bicep heads. If you guys look at mine, I have pretty long, like mine's pretty long, you guys. I don't have a short bicep head. It is a longer bicep head, a longer muscle belly, if you will. So the main thing that helped me is just developing the muscle, making that muscle bigger. It makes the gap look way smaller. And again, you guys can see, look at, there is no gap. I don't have a bicep gap. It's completely gone. I would say the first 2 years I had a bicep gap. After that, it went away just from training and building and developing that muscle up. It does eventually go away. People are going to ask about the best bicep exercise. There is no best bicep exercise. A lot of bicep exercises are literally exactly the same thing. They're just curling motions. All you're doing is you're just curling. You can do a standing barbell curl, a seated barbell curl, a dumbbell curl, a seated dumbbell curl. You can do a preacher curl. The only thing that I actually recommend, I mean, again, pick any of those exercises. It really doesn't matter. But I recommend incorporating hammer curls. That is going to help the side thickness. And in my opinion, if you get that built up, it's going to make the gap look way worse. Now, here is what a hammer curl is. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So when you're doing a typical bicep curl, let's say you're doing a barbell curl, right? You're sitting here, you're doing your bicep curl, correct? With a hammer curl, again, this is a bicep curl. With the hammer curl, your wrist is turned. So you're basically doing this. So you can see the hands here as opposed to here. So it's like this. This develops the muscle right in here. The thickness, that side thickness, that is what we want to help with the bicep gap. So start incorporating, what I like to do is 2 exercises for the bicep. Normally right now it's a standing barbell curl, then I'm going to switch to a seated bicep curl, a seated dumbbell curl. But do one of those, then your second exercise, make it a hammer curl. That's what I do. That's what helped me. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.